Hello, this is Mr. Hernandez, and I will show you how to get Immersive Reader on Google Chrome. In your search bar, search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the first choice. In the search box, you want to type in Immersive Reader. Select the first choice. I like this one. You could explore with the other ones if you want, but I will choose this first choice, unofficial. Click Add to Chrome, Install to Chrome. I already have it on mine, so that's why it says Remove, but click on it. It'll add it up top in your web browser toolbar. If it's not there, you can click on the Extensions button, which is that puzzle piece, and make sure it's there. You could very well click on the three dots, More Tools, Extensions, and find it in your Extensions menu and turn it on if it's not already on. Mine is on. Okay? I'm going to exit out of that. Once it's on, you can highlight text and have it read to you. I'm going to my I'm going to my Canvas page. I'm going to select some student assignment as a practice so I can find some text. So maybe I want to highlight this text. Right click on it and select Help Me Read This. And here we are. You can press play.
Download a Word document.
It'll read to you. Settings changes the speed. Change female voice or keep male voice. Change the text size, bigger, smaller. You can increase the spacing, go back to single spacing, styles, fonts, the color on the background. You can separate the syllables, find the nouns and other parts of speech, play around with that. You can select line focus. If you have more text, you have more options of focusing the line. Mine only shows one. Picture dictionary is on by default. It's really neat. You can click on a word and it gives you an example. Pretty cool stuff. Help develop that vocabulary. For our Spanish speakers or any other speakers of another language, you can select your language. This byword is already toggled. I leave it alone. Select document. And here you go. Switch to Spanish. Oh, it's already there.
Descargue un documento de Word.
There it is. Pretty cool stuff. Go back to the original by clicking the original. Go back to your web page. Click the exit. There you have it. Immersive Reader on Google Chrome. Alright, to get Immersive Reader on Firefox, open up Firefox. We are here in the add-ons page. I did a Google search for addons.mozilla.org. Extensions are called add-ons on Firefox. Either way, get to this page. Type in the search Immersive Reader. Hit enter. Choose the first choice, not very many. It's called Help a Bird on Firefox. Click Install. I have it in this example, but you click Install, Add to Firefox. Go through the steps. You'll see it works because it's up here. Mine says off only because I'm not synced or signed into Firefox, but don't worry, it's already installed. Go to your text, highlight it, right click, select Helper Bird or Hover, and here is Tools Immersive Reader. Same features apply.
Download a Word document.
Preferences, grammar, reading preferences, all these features work the same. That's how you do it on Firefox. I hope you found this helpful for Immersive Reader on Chrome and Firefox. Bye for now.